Here's how to install our OCAM roof rack for the GWM Tank 300. Lay out all the hardware and familiarise yourself with the kit. On the underside of the front of the rack, use these T-bolts to attach the wind deflector. Secure using the included nylock nuts and tighten with a 13mm wrench. Use a trim tool to pop off the covers on the factory rails, then use an 8mm socket to remove all the bolts and remove the rails from the vehicle. This is the arrangement of the brackets for each side of the vehicle. Add silicone sealant into and around the holes, then place the included spacers on top. Install all brackets using these bolts along with flat end spring washers. Align the edge of the bracket to the edge of the roof trim and tighten using a 10mm socket. Repeat for the remaining brackets. Note for the rear bracket, the rail mounting hole should be facing the front of the vehicle. Install the rails using these bolts along with nylock nuts and flat washers and tighten using a 5mm hex bit and 13mm wrench. The logo goes to the front of the vehicle. Slide in the rail block bolts in the front and third slat. Use a bit of masking tape to hold them in place so they don't slide around when moving the rack. Lift the roof rack onto the vehicle and slide the block bolts into place. Align the rack to the center of the vehicle. Secure using the supplied nylock nuts and tighten with a 13mm wrench. Use these bolts and nuts to secure the edges of the wind deflector to the rails. Tighten using a 4mm hex bit and 10mm wrench. And there you have it, your OCAM roof rack is installed.